Why is it so hard to throw shit away, people? You got two hands. See, look what I'm doing. Picking up more shit. It looks like it's been here a while, too. Where's it from? I don't know. Orange mango. It's whatever this is. It's oh, some little. Yeah. Slobs. Alright, now get back up. See, no problem. I can do it. You can do it. Ta-da. See? That's what I do. That might be fairly new. I don't remember. Well, not doesn't mean I didn't see that before, but I don't remember seeing that. I've been down this way. Alright, that's where I came from. Yeah, let's go back through that way. What was that? This is just out. I'll come back to it. This is the way I was headed. What the fuck is that? There's something up in a tree. Looks like somebody's underwear? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. I'm not even sure where this goes. What property is that? Anybody know? I don't know. Is that part of the farm? The tree farm? The who's what's? Whatever this place is? The arboretum? I've never been over there. I could get in there if I wanted to. I could. But why? I have to turn around. Now I can wander around in there for a little bit. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I don't know. What? Let me go back through this way. Maybe I'll come back. Something's rubbing. It does sound like something's just underneath. Looks like a pad. This is back to the book. It's just another way. Come back in. What is that? Can you hear that? How'd you like to come in here in the dark? I would. You can't see the lights. You want to come back at night before dusk and get lost. Well, I don't know what time it was. path, but I'm gonna go up there. It kind of looks like a path. It's not, it's just an area. I'm sure I'll find treasure in here. Where's my treasure? This is not a path, this is just the woods. Hey, it didn't say do not enter. There's no sign say don't enter. I'll go where I want. Bitch. If I can get through, I'll go. And this doesn't go anyplace. It's just the sticks. They got plenty of power. No, this isn't the spot I've ever been. It's not really a path. You're getting lost in the woods. Help. Help. I'm lost. I can't go that way anyway. I have to go the way I can. I have to watch out for the sticks. Alright, I'll just go back through there. Alright, I came in. I wasn't scared. This is where I just was. No, you didn't go this way because it's stick wrong. Oh, shut up. I must have hit something. Uh-oh. What did I do? See, I shouldn't have come this way. Oh man, what the fuck did I do? Yeah, it's in freewheel. How'd that happen? How do you make it go back? I think I fixed it. Yes, I did fix it. Yeah, I must have knocked the freewheel. I don't know. Maybe that's what was loose. Maybe something was just loose. But I think I just ran over a stick. It may have turned it off. I believe that's what happened. Fixed it. All right, so you shouldn't have